Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiddo Craft. Today we will make a craft using waste bottle. I have taken a bottle which is of golden color background and so going to use it as such. If you have a white bottle with you, give a background color to it. Two stickers were there in this bottle and so I have soaked it in water and removed those. I have taken few printouts of Che, his famous quote and his signature. Cut out the printed area or the black color area using a knife. Stick this stencil using a tape in the bottle. Apply black color on it. Using the brush itself, I am going to give a rough texture. Take out the stencil. Take the signature and place it on top using tape and color it. Repeat the same with the text also. If you guys like this video, please consider subscribing my channel and add your views in comments. You can use this bottle as such a flower vase or can use any fairy light to add extra glow to it. I am using a 9 watts battery and an LED light just to show the output. You can use LED lights or any fairy lights. Hope you guys like this video. Meet you all with another craft. Until then, take care and bye bye.